Okay, here is the location of the outside ambient air temperature sensor on a 2010 Honda Insight EX. Probably the same for the LX. So first of all, we open our engine compartment up. This plastic cover has these little pop caps, whatever you call them. You take them out. I already took all the other ones out. Go. Cover will slide over these plastic knobs and out. Now we have access to this area down here. I'm going to try to turn on my light. Shine it down. It's right there. I hope you can see that.